Today we'll be doing an installation of the magnetic strip. Right out of the package, you'll receive 5 magnetic strips, a customer support card. When you need help, you can use the QR code to get to the customer service. The magnetic strip installation will only work on vehicle with tailgate area that is made of steel. These magnetic strip will not be compatible with aluminum bodies. If your vehicle, such as Ford F-150, 2015 or newer models, the magnetic strip installation will not work on your vehicle. The great thing about using the magnetic strip is, first of all, you will have a seamless setup. There's no need to screw or stick the light bar onto your vehicle. You will have free spare tire access, as you can easily remove the light bar off your vehicle whenever you need it. For the power lock version, you want to place 3 magnets on the wire side. And the first magnet, you want to avoid putting it directly onto the OPT7 tab area. And the 3 magnets will be placed on the equal part on the back side of the tailgate. Next, you want to place the magnet on top of the place where you're going to cut the tape off. After you thoroughly measured, you're going to take the cutter, cut directly at where the tape is. And then take out the magnet, cut the tape off, place the magnet directly onto the area you just cut off. Make sure that it's placed nicely and in the middle of the tailgate. And you're going to do this for all 3 of them. After you know where you're going to have the magnet at, you're going to cut and then peel off to expose the adhesive. And then you're going to place the magnet bar in the middle. Here is the final result of the power wire side. On the side without the power wire, you want to place the 2 magnets, equal parts on the tailgate light bar. It is very important to ensure that the place where there's no magnet attached to the tailgate bar, that you leave on the red plastic protector on the adhesive. For Parlock's Tacoma tailgate magnetic strip installation, for the driver's side, you will place 3 magnet strip, measure as such. First, on the outer side, you want to avoid the OPT7 logo. Place the 3 magnet strip in equal parts onto the driver's side. After you know exactly where the location you will place your magnet strip, you will flip the driver's side of the Tacoma tailgate. You will place the magnet strip onto the area that you will be placing onto the adhesive part of the tailgate strip. Then you will hold on to the magnet strip, do the cut onto the adhesive strip, peel off the red plastic, place the magnet bar onto the middle of the tailgate where the adhesive is exposed. And you will do that for the rest of the magnetic strips. Install the magnetic strip onto the passenger side of the Parlock's Tacoma tailgate. You want to first measure equal parts onto the tailgate light bar. After you know exactly where you want to place the magnetic strip onto the tailgate light bar, then you will flip the light bar over. Make sure that you avoid putting it on directly behind the OPT7 logo. And then you will place the magnetic strip onto the light bar as such. This will require 2 magnetic strips.